And you were shooting things at me? And then you checked. Then you took me in. And we're going to have another show, don't worry. That was just the beginning.
Yay!
That was just the beginning.
Okay.